So guys, hey there, let me greet you. I hope you're fine. So yesterday I showed you the gift I got, and today I want to assemble. Yesterday it was so late, that's why I didn't assemble. I want to show you how to assemble it and how it looks, the end product. So here is our, and yesterday you see it's a 12-inch, and the components I showed you yesterday. So today we are just assembling. I had started with this one. I had already assembled this one. So, and this is the Kamini stand I told you. It's good when you want to shoot something. Yeah. So it's an anti-shake. At least kuzuia kushake. So you see, this is the phone holder. So, and then this is a charger. Here it is. This is the charger. Like I told you yesterday, it's got a very long cable, and we'll connect it here. We'll connect it here. You see, here is where we connect it. There. And then this is the head ball. I heard it's called a head ball. It's for enabling you to tilt your phone. I think I should assemble it. Yeah. Okay, where should it be? But this one should be like this. I should assemble it to the stand. Well, hata mimi ni mgeni kwa hizi vitu. And the remote. You see? And this do I call this extension? Oh, it's called an adapter. So this one goes here. It enables you usishinde ukidunga na bairo huko kwa wall. So here we go. This one we said we will assemble it to the stand. These are empty. This is the remote, and we put that aside. So next box. Oh, it's the one that consisted our stand. And remember guys, I told you you can use this stand separate without the ring. So it's very use, it comes in handy. So let me see. Kuiassemble. Oh, yeah, like that. And it's very strong, by the way. So, and then you close there. Should I put it here? Yeah, I hope you can see. I'm very tall, as you can see. So I'll just put it there. And then inakuja na aka kapat. Unaweza come kuunganisha and you think it's not worth it, yet it's just like a kifuniko. You undo and then you put your head ball. I call it a head ball. Mtaniambia kama ni head ball ama ni head ball, I think it's a head ball. Ama watu wa tech mtuambie. So here we go. And I put this one here. Let me put it down here. Niasembulie hapa chini for stability. Since I'm very tall. So okay. And then now I put my ring. Good. Oh, I think first I should remove this thing for it to be easy. Yeah. So, yeah, it becomes easier that way. I think this should be the last one to assemble. And then I tighten this head ball to tilt there. So now I put my charger. I connect it and then I connected to the steamers. So you see here, hapa kwa back, this is where you put on the light, and then there is a mode, the mode you want. If you want, this is a warm mode, or that mode, the cool mode. Yeah, I prefer this. I don't know why I like this one. I'll show you. So this is where you adjust. If you want the intensity of the light to be kidogo, una minus, and then for the plus is when you want the intensity to be bright. So let me show you. You can see how bright it is. If I want, okay, wacha tuone na remote kama itapunguza. Ipanama kwanza. Yeah, it's got some batteries. So let's say, you see, this is the remote. That's its work. If I want the intensity to be bright, and then if I want to change the lighting, I press the section button. This is for the, you see, for changing the color you want for a ring light. And this is where you place your phone here. So this stand, by the way, it's good. It's not like I'm marketing them, but it's good for if makeup. Wow, this is kwanza juu ya close up inakuonyeshana. And then the reason I bought it, my house is very dull, so I think it will come in handy. With time we will upgrade, because it goes up to 20 inch or 24. Tutafika hapo with time. So this is the on and the off button, and the mode you want. Still you can change with the red one, the mode you want, and you can change with the section on the mode you want. And I guess we call it a wrap. So see you next, and remember to hit the subscription button, like, share, and comment. And by the way, like I told you, I'll tag the plug. So guys, remember to hit the subscription button, like, share, and comment down below. Na muniambie what else you want me to tackle on. So see you next.